You're watching this video because you are not a professional paver, but you have pavers either out front or in the backyard that you want to replace. You've watched enough YouTube videos seeing how to do it, and you're like, I'm gonna go get some of those specialized tools. I have a very indescript white box with 4 of those specialized tools. So I don't know how well these are going to actually work or not. I've seen a ton of videos on YouTube. Some terrified me that it's going to be very hard to do. Some make it look like it's the easiest thing in the world. There's only one thing to do though. I'm going to take you out in my backyard. We're going to see if we can replace a paver with these, and then I will give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know how easy or how hard it was, although you're going to have seen it, so maybe you don't really need that. What do you say we go out in the backyard, try to replace the paver? All right, here we are in the outdoor testing studio where I haven't concluded using, I didn't use all 4. I was pretty sure I was gonna bend these based on the way they look, but as you can see in the video, these things were pretty darn effective. For getting those masonry blocks up and out and working on them, they definitely exceeded my expectations of what I thought was gonna happen with these. I was pretty darn sure they were gonna bend instantly, and they really didn't bend at all. This one is a little flatter than it used to be, but overall, really good. So if you're looking for a tool to change your masonry blocks, these are actually truly helpful and really amazing for what they are. Comes in a pack of 4, so I'm going to give them not a 4 for 4. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Say if you're looking for these, they actually do work. In any case, I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.